Quick tip 114. Cover care. The top and bottom of your cover should be cleaned periodically. Before we begin, remove the cover so cleaning agents and dirt don't enter the water. Find a non-abrasive surface, such as grass, to set your cover down. With a hose, wash off any dirt, leaves, or other debris. Scrub any stubborn spots with warm water mixed with a mild soap and a sponge or soft cloth. Once the top is clean, rinse thoroughly, flip the cover over, and repeat this process on the bottom. If stains have developed that don't respond to soap and water, then we'll need something a little stronger. Mix 1 cup bleach with 1 gallon of water and apply to the stain. Don't forget to thoroughly rinse afterwards. Also, keep in mind, the best way for this side to stay in tip-top shape is to keep your water clean and chemicals balanced. For help with best practices, check out our how-to video that covers routine water maintenance. Now, using a soft absorbent towel or chamois, dry the bottom, then flip the cover and dry the top. The final step is to condition and protect the vinyl. You can use a product made for hot tub covers or any marine-grade vinyl. However, you do not want to use petroleum, silicone, or citrus-based products. Follow the instructions of the product you're using. Typically, you just rub it in. Also, never store anything on the cover. And don't allow twigs, leaves, or other debris to collect and sit for too long. Replace the cover, and you're done. For more quick tips, head over to our quick tip playlist. For more in-depth helps with Master Spa's features and functions, check out our how-to for hot tub owners. And until next time, happy hot tubbing!